Right, I need to drill an array of holes in this plate, which is actually a side cheek for, or horn plate for a traction engine that I'm building. So the first thing I'm going to do is to arrange a datum corner, so I'm moving the centre drill so that it's actually over the corner. So I've positioned the centre drill so it's on the corner of the plate. That's my datum corner, and that's where I'm going to take all the measurements from. So look at the display. I'm going to change the display now to be into absolute mode, so I press F1. ABS turns up on the display to show me in absolute mode, and I'm going to 0x and 0y, and then that corner is my 00, my datum corner. Okay, so the array that I saved earlier starts 1 inch in the Y direction. It's 1 inch up from the bottom, so I'm moving the slide now until I get to 1 inch. That's it. Okay, and it needs to be 2.625 in X. So wind the slide till I get to 2.625. There we go, 2.625, and there is the bottom. You can see the centre drill is over the position to start drilling the first hole of the array of 9. So I'm now going to change into incremental mode, so I press F1 again, and you see that ink appears upon the display, and I'm now going to 0Y and I'm going to 0X, so I'm in incremental mode. I then need to change to the array, so I press the downward arrow key until I get the array, and I press F1, and there's the array of 9 holes that I want to drill, already set up. I saved it from the previous exercise, so I'm pressing enter, and X and Y are at 0, and I'm going to drill the first hole. I'm just going to go through the process without actually drilling at the moment, just to show you. So there's the the first hole. I press the right hand arrow key, and I then move to the next hole, so position that until I get to 0, 0. Okay, and I can drill that hole. Press the right hand arrow key to move on to the next hole. And there we go. 2/10 of a thou, I don't think that will matter. We'll have it right. There we go. So I'm now drill that hole. I press the right hand arrow key, and you'll see that it now jumps all the way back to the middle row, left hand side. Well, I've decided I don't really want to do that. I'm not going to move it in 2 directions, so I'm just going to advance forward till I get to the hole that's above there, and I can drill that one. Drill that one, and then I press the arrow keys and it'll jump to the top corner. I don't want to do that one. I'm going round in the sequence so I get to the one I want to drill, which is that one. And again, we'll wind the handle till we get that to 0. That's fine. Then I move left hand arrow key to move to that one, and I go around and so on. So I can actually drill that array of 9 holes. Okay, so that's the array of 9 holes done. I'm going to go back, I'm going to press C to return, and I'm going to go back into absolute mode, and I've got an array of holes to drill at the top now, which are 0.625 in from the datum corner in X direction. So I'm just going to wind the, sorry, it's a bit awkward left-handed while holding the camera in the other hand. So I'm going to go to 0.625. Okay, so that's in the correct position there, and the height of the holes above are 5.187. Sorry, I got that wrong. It's 4.187. There we go. So that's the position for an array of 3 holes. So I'm going to go back to incremental mode, and 0, Y and X, and then I'm going to go to the array mode. Okay, and this time I want to select number 2 because it's the one I'd saved previously, and there we are. So I'm going to press enter, and you can see I'm set up, drill the first hole, move the array, etc. So I can actually drill out this plate without any marking out at all, just using the DRO. Lovely bit of kit, made life so much easier. And that's it. Thank you for watching.